New Bern Civic Theater is proud to announce its 2014 season. The Underpants is a fast-paced comedy adapted by comedian Steve Martin. After her bloomers drop to the ground while watching a parade, a housewife must juggle the advances of two would-be suitors, while her husband tries to protect his public image. Celebrate Black History Month with the musical drama The Color Purple. Adapted from the Pulitzer Prize-winning novel and the Steven Spielberg film, it's the inspiring story of a woman discovering her voice and finding strength in 1930s rural Georgia. NBCT's Stagehands presents Rodgers and Hammerstein's musical Cinderella. The classic fairy tale comes to the stage with NBCT's unique children's program, which utilizes acting, song, dance, and communication for the deaf and hard of hearing. And now for something completely different. Monty Python's Spamalot is the 2005 Tony Award-winning Best Musical. Lovingly ripped off from Monty Python and the Holy Grail, this musical comedy keeps audiences looking on the bright side of life. The Sax Bradbury Players present their first musical production with Disney's Tarzan. Featuring music by Phil Collins, this production is performed, staged, and promoted entirely by NBCT's talented and focused young adults. Lend Me a Tenor is a Tony Award-winning farce set behind the scenes of a struggling opera company. Madness unfolds as a famous Italian singer goes missing, and the general manager attempts to save his theater by covering the absence. And finally, winner of the 2010 Tony Award for Best Revival and the inspiration for the hit film The Birdcage, La Cage aux Folles. Complications and hilarity arise when two men attempt to cover up their partnership due to their son's impending marriage to the daughter of a bigoted politician. Ticket prices vary per production and can be purchased online at newberncivictheater.org or by calling the box office at 252-633-0567. Save money and reserve your preferred seating by purchasing season tickets, or give the gift of live theater to your family and friends. And don't forget that NBCT offers discounts for students and active military. Don't miss the excitement, the drama, the comedy. Enjoy these fine shows and more in 2014, only at New Bern Civic Theater.